Hi dears, welcome back. This is our EVS go through session. Most of you write your exam nicely, but some of you make some mistakes. We will clearly explain that. Okay. Our first Roman letter multiple choice questions. The first question is which one has 8 times better eyesight when compared with us? Yes, dog also have very good eyesight compared with us, but which one is 8 times better eyesight? Okay, so answer is option B, eagle. Okay, the option C, ant. The ant also got very powerful eyesight. Then tiger also have 6 times better eyesight compared with us. So the correct answer is which one has 8 times better eyesight when compared with us? That is eagle. Okay, option B, eagle. The second one is the second question. Rainwater can be stored in the water tank. This technique is known as, yes, we all know very well. The option A, rainwater harvesting. This is the correct answer for the second question. You have to uh, write in your EVS note. Okay. The third question is Alberani came from where? Yes, option A, Uzbekistan. Okay, this is the correct answer. The fourth one is snake charmers community is called, yes, option A, Kalbelias. Okay, the Kalbelia is a dance name also, which dances danced by the Kalbelias peoples, that is called Kalbelia dance. So the snake charmers community is called Kalbelias. Okay, the fifth question is which of the following arrangements was based on the rainwater collection? Yes, we know very well about the step well. It's the deep well also. So it is used for the rainwater collection. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, step well. The sixth question is which snake had killed more humans? Yes, saw-scaled viper, black mamba, python, kite. In this four options, the python is the poisonless snake, non-poisonous snake. Yes. So the black mamba is the more dangerous snake, but its kill small amount of peoples only compared with the saw-scaled viper. Okay. So the saw-scaled viper is the viper snake only killed more humans. So the correct answer is option A, saw-scaled viper. Question number 7. Who built Gatsisar Lake? Yes, we know very well about this. The king name was King Gatsi. Option B, King Gatsi is the correct answer. The next one, eighth question. Dash is the purest source of natural water. Yes, rainwater is the purest source of natural water. We can store the rainwater until 6 months also. Okay, so it is the purest source of the natural water. The ninth question is I am an animal. When I reach 40 years, how many trees I climb up? Yes, it's a sloth. Yes, it's the sloth animal. It's reached 8 trees. So the answer is option A, 8. The 10th question is how many snakes categories in India? Yes. Option A, 250 snakes. Option B, 750 snakes. Yes. How many snakes categories in our world means option B, 750 snake is correct answer. But in our country, 250 snakes are there. Okay. The 11th question. Which of the following feature distinguish monocot from a dicot plant? Yes, venation. Option B, venation is the correct answer. The 12th question, which of the following describe a monocot? Yeah, we are done the project also. Which are the which flowers has three and multiples of three petals means that is called monocot. So option C, three petals and multiples of three. It is easily find out. Okay. The 13th questions. An object is mostly sink in water if dash. Yes, we already did the experiment also. The correct answer is option D. It has high density. Okay, it has high density means then only it sink into the water. Okay, the fourth question is milk is pasteurization at dash temperature. It's if you see the all options means it is similar. Okay, the option A is 161 degrees Celsius, option B is 160 Fahrenheit, C is 167 degrees Celsius, option D is 160 degrees Celsius. Which is the correct answer? Yes, 160 is the correct answer, but here is two 160 also there. One is Fahrenheit, one is degree Celsius. So the correct answer is option D, 160 degree Celsius. Okay. The 15th question, which sense allows animal to detect temperature, pain and pressure for touch? For example, the correct answer is option D, touch. Why means if our anybody's, yes, all of us home have a dog. If our home dog get any wound means it's oftenly lick the wound. Yes, we are all watching it. So the touching sense only detect the temperature, pain and pressure. Okay, so the correct answer is option D, touch. Okay, the next Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. 16th question, Gatchesar Lake is interconnected with how many lakes? Yes, very good, 9 lakes. The 17th question, Dash is called health police. Yes, we know very well about this. Eagle is called health police. Why means it has more HCl. That's why we say it is health police. Okay. The next one, 18th question. Dash is the longest snake in the world. Yes, reticulated python is the longest snake in our world. Okay. The next question is 19th question. The Grand Anacut age was 2000. Yes, very good. The 20 questions. Another name of food pipe is called esophagus. We know very well about that. The third Roman letter, answer the following question. Each question I will give 3 marks. Okay. The 21st questions. Write any 4 types of poisonous snake in India. Yes. And the first one is saw-scaled viper, common kite, black mamba and king cobra. King cobra is our national reptile. Okay. The 22. Question number 22. What do you understand by rainwater harvesting? It's have to write your own imagination. Okay. Rainwater harvesting is a technique of collection and storage of rainwater in surface. If we do not save the rainwater means our future's generations will be affected by diseases and lacking of waters also. Okay. The next question is question number 23. Why do birds often move their neck? Answer is some birds cannot move their eyes enough to look around because the eyeball is fixed one. Yes, we know very well about that. So they move their eyes to see around. Okay. The next question, 24th question. Why some of the people use sand pot till now? Yes, olden days those days people using sand pot because they want a cool water. But nowadays we have fridge. Each and every home have fridge. So nowadays we don't use the sand pot. But if we use the sand pot means the sand pot has many important nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium like that. So some of the peoples understand and realize the privilege of sand pot. So most of the peoples using the sand pot till now. Okay. The 25th questions. What do you think about some water getting soaked into the soil? It is this question also your own imagination. The answer is small amount of water only soak into the water while raining. The rest of the water go to the wastage. Then we are affected by the shortage of water. Okay. The next question is 26 questions. Draw and label the parts of monocot seeds. We know very well. Then most of you, I watch your all exam answer papers. Then most of you write the answer correctly. Okay. The next question is question number 27. Why snakes are called friend of the farmer? Answer is snakes kill animals like rats that damage food crops. Okay, so we are called snake is the friend of the farmer. The 28th question, define malnutrition. We know very well about malnutrition. Malnutrition means bad health, that is the result of not having enough food and right kind of food. What does mean by right kind of food? Yes, we are always eating rice only. It's not a right kind of food. We also take all kinds of food, all kinds of nutrients also. Okay, that is called malnutrition. The 29th question, how does the poison enters through the person's body? The answer is when the snakes bite human beings, the poison is transferred through the fangs of the snake. Fangs means teeth of the snake. Okay. The 30 question number 30. What are the conditions needed for a seed to sprout? Yes, we know very well about water, oxygen, and temperature. These three conditions need to germination. Okay. Next, Roman letter 5, detailed questions. The question number 31, describe about rainwater harvesting. Why we must save the water? Because nowadays we are also facing shortage of water. If we do not see the shortage of water, means we must save the water. Okay, this is the rainwater harvesting process. You have to draw neatly in your EVS note. Okay, the third is question number 32. Describe the digestive system elaborately. We know very well about the digestive system. Esophagus, food pipe is called esophagus. The salivary glands. The saliva is most important too. We want to swallow the food. The saliva is most important. Then the food enters through the stomach. Then if the food enters the stomach, the HCl acid spores on the stomachs. Then it's go to the large intestine. The large intestines it's go to the small intestine. The small intestines absorb the all nutrients. Okay, then the fats and waters absorbed by the large intestine, then wastage of the food come out from the anus or rectum. Okay, the next one is why must we save the water? Just now I told about that. Conserving water is important because it keeps water pure and clean. As every individual depends on water for livelihood, we must learn how to keep our limited supply of water pure and away from pollution. So, we must save the water. The question number 34, write the merits and demerits of the snake charmer's life. The answer is this is the merits of the snake charmer's life. They are ready to sell the snakes. Okay, then they are easily mingle with nature and snakes. They provide the medicine for snake biting. What are the demerits of the snake charmer's life? Means the peoples are always depend with others. They do not live a stable life. Every day the people's facing dangerous life, dangering soon. Okay. The question number 35, if the all water is changed into the solid state, what would happening? This question also your own imagination questions. The answer is our world will be freeze. No one can live in the world because the water is much more important for our everyday life. Then instead of we drinking the water, we should eat the water. Then last question number 36. Why we are dry the glass bottles in the sun before filling them with pickles? I give small answers only. You have to elaborate the answer. Okay. Then the answer is to avoid the spoilage. We know very well about this. The water content is most one of the factor of the food spoilage. So we want to remove the water content, then we want to remove the bacteria and microorganisms. That's why we are dry the glass bottles in the sunlight, okay, under of the sunlight. Okay dears, you have to write the all answer in your EVS note. Okay, if you have any clarification, you make the call to me. Thank you.